It seems the Bitcoin must have lost its mojo for a little while now, as of course the reaction hasn't been the best. Bitcoin has been sleeping for a while. The talk about the father of all cryptos has died down for a while now as well, right? I remember early last year and also towards the end of 2020, people were saying, oh, Bitcoin to the moon, Bitcoin to the moon, Bitcoin is going to hit 100,000 very soon. And then look at what happened. The truth is that the charts will never lie. I repeat, the charts will never lie. We had a high over here on the weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame we're looking at now. And then we had a retest of this weekly resistance. And you can see more or less we had like a double top over here. From this double top, now let me clean up the charts. I want to show you something. From this double top, look at this nice pin. Look at this nice hammer. This bearish hammer, bearish pin bar. And look at what happened right from this point. From this point, we had a straight vertical move down, right? A straight vertical move down, and it went all the way on the weekly time frame to test these areas here of flip zone. Here we have this as resistance, and then support. Now price seems to be here, and price seems to be struggling at this point over here. Now, what can you make of this? Because the truth now is that everything is on the chart. I repeat, everything is on the chart. It's not for somebody to say, hey, price is going to this place. But no, it is for you to look at the chart and then find out what exactly can you see. Now, from this point here, what I can see now is that price is definitely reacting to this area here. I repeat, price is definitely reacting to this area here. And as price is reacting here, we could have it push back higher. If you should push back higher, we have an area here of supply where we could have the price go back down. Or price could break this area of flip zone that has acted as support and resistance and then retest here and then give us further drops. We could have like a minor demand here, but who knows? The 20K marker is definitely a possibility. There's something I've been hearing with a lot of traders of late, especially with this big move down, with this vertical move that we've had here. Don't forget, this is a vertical move. And I always advise when you have a vertical V-shaped move, try your best not to fight it. Only you have good enough confirmation that it's time to go against that vertical move. I've been hearing a lot of people say, oh, buy the dips, buy the dips. It's not just about buying the dips. Look, if you try to buy the dips without proper information, you would easily get burnt. And that is the truth, right? I am a chartist to the core. And the chart speaks to me, and I understand the language of the chart. It is best that everybody tries to understand the language of the chart. It will pay off at the end of the day. Are we going to see 63K anytime soon, 63, 64K area anytime soon? That is these highs. Well, I don't know. It all has to do with what happens here. This is where the battle line has been drawn. So it's best to pay attention to this area here. And of course, on this weekly time frame, if you have a nice bullish pin bar like what we had at this double top here, if you have it at this flip zone, then that might be good enough conviction for you to go long. Or you could also be looking out for maybe like the bullish engulfings or any kind of bullish pattern that is telling you, okay, it is time to buy. Okay, it is time to buy, and so on, right? Now, by the way, if this video so far so good has been helpful, you know what to do. Pause, hit the subscribe button, and of course, turn on the notification bell and like this video. And don't forget to comment in the section below, right? If you want to learn how to trade, you can reach out as well. Comment in the section below, and then we can have a discussion. There's also in the link where you could book a call to discuss. Trust me, trading doesn't have to be difficult. The good thing about trading now is that once you understand price is across board for whether it's the currencies, that's Forex, or whether it's the cryptos like the Bitcoin, Litecoin, Shiba Inu, and the rest. Shiba Inu has been very, very quiet of late. The rest of the cryptos as well, or whether it's the stocks, whether you're looking into the likes of the Amazon, Google, Facebook, and the rest of them, right? Reach out. Trading is general across board. It all has to do with supply and demand, right? Price moves up is based on demand, and price moves down, it is based on supply. So for what we have here on this weekly time frame, right, I'm showing you the weekly time frame for a reason, so that in the next few months, maybe 2, 3, 4 months from now, we can easily return back to this to see the candle reaction over here, right? The candles represent price. It shows the price action, the price behavior. It shows what price is trying to do, right? And of course, there are, just like footprints in the sand, there are information, hidden information inside all of these candles that will help us to know what price most likely wants to do next. Most likely wants to do next, right? Now, with that said, I'm going to keep it to a close here. And of course, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. It helps the algorithm. This is Bitcoin. We have been wondering for a while now what has been happening to the father of all cryptos. It seems to have gone quiet. People have not been making so much noise about it. And then we decided, oh, great, let's do another video that will last a long time. And that is from the weekly time frame. Thank you guys. It has indeed been a pleasure. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Ensure to trade safely. And I'll be back with more videos. If you want to see any specific video, any teachings, tutorials, or any video on any analysis, live market analysis on any instrument of your choice, trust me, it is all about price at the end of the day. The action of price, behavior of price, movement of price, and it is across board. Comment in the section below and we'll do a video for you explaining what is happening on that particular instrument of choice. Thank you guys. It has indeed been a pleasure. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Goodbye. God bless and cheers.